Friends, today start the second video of chapter 10 basic geometrical idea. Second video of chapter 10 basic geometrical idea. Exercise 10.4. Compare the following angles by observation method and find the larger angle. Angle BAC and angle QPR. Here angle QPR is larger than angle BAC. Angle BAC is larger than angle QPR. Angle BAC is larger than angle QPR. Compare the following angles by observation method and find the larger angle. Here angle CAB is larger than angle QPR. CAB is larger than angle QPR. Angle BAC is larger than angle QPR here. BAC is larger than angle QPR. Categorize the following angles into different type of angles such as an acute angle, obtuse angle, zero angle, reflex angle, straight angle and complete angle. 180 degree is a straight angle, 73 degree is acute angle, 173 is a obtuse angle, 0 is zero angle, 360 is complete angle, 270 is reflex angle. In the given figure find all acute angle. Angle ADE, angle AED, ADE क्या है आपका देखिए angle ADE, this is your acute angle. Now AED like this angle AED, this is your angle AED. Now BCE angle, BCE angle, DCE angle, DCE, angle EDC, EDC angle, angle BCE, BCE. These are acute angle. All obtuse angle was only one, DEC. All right angle, angle DAB and ABC. Now question number 7. Rinku wake up at 6 p.m. and sleep at 9 p.m. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand of his walking time and sleeping time. Look at here. This is your straight line. This is your straight line. So straight line is 180 degree angle. Straight line make to 180 degree angle. And sleeping time in 9 a.m. means quarter is 90 degree right angle. 90 degree right angle. Look at the following clocks and find the angle between the hour hand and minute hand. 12 hour hand formed angle 360 degree. 1 hour hand formed angle 360 upon 12. Now 4 hour hand formed the angle 360 upon 12 into 4. 4 3 12. Now 3 divided by 120 degree. What will be the new position of the hour hand if start from 7 turn through 60 degree? 12 hour hand formed the angle 360 degree. Now 1 hour hand formed the angle 360 upon 12. So 1 hour hand formed the angle equal to 30 degree. 30 degree angle formed by the 1 hour. Now 60 degree angle formed by the 2 hour. So 7 turn through 60 degree is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 2 and turn through 3 right angle. 1 right angle turn equal to 3 hour. 3 right angle turn equal to 3 into 3, 9 hour. So answer is 2 plus 9 is equal to 11 hours. Now children, here is starting curve. Starting curve. What is curve? Shape that can be drawn with pencil on paper similar to the line but needed to the straight line are called curve. Some examples of the curves are given below. Simple curve. A curve does not cross itself. Is called a simple curve. In the example of curves, A, B, C, D, E, F are the simple curve. Look at here. A, B, C, and D. F and H is also a simple curve. Open and close. The figure whose starting point and end points are different are called open figure. Following as the example of the open figure: first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth example. The figure whose starting point and end point are the same are called closed figure. Following are the examples are here. Closed curve divide a plane into three regions: boundary of the curve, interior of the curve inside and outside, exterior of the curve outside the curve. Curvilinear and linear boundaries. Curvilinear and linear boundaries. The figure which are bounded by straight line are called figure line boundaries, linear boundaries. The figure which are bounded by the curved line are called figure with curvilinear. Now 10.5, exercise 10.5 in the book. Exercise 10.5. Figure. Type of curve. This is your open curve. Open curve. This curve is open curve. And this is your the closed curve. This is your closed curve. This is also a closed curve. D point is also a closed curve. Now E point. Point E is a closed curve but not simple. Closed curve but not simple. And these are also a closed